All right, shoulder stretches are greatly enhanced with a stick, a booyah stick, a mop. The reason why it greatly provides a lot of leverage to all the right muscles so that you get things moving and produces posture and
And pain
pain
relief.
free. Let's get on with it.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right, Bob, I really wanted to clarify to our viewers so that they feel comfortable that you and I concur that these 5 stretches
I do.
are one of the best ones that we have, and we've worked with patients ourselves, etc.
Top 5.
You will need a stick, a broomstick. It needs to be 4 to 5 feet long. I've got a nice mop. This is a really nice mop for it. You'll see why in a little bit. Piece of doweling,
Stick?
whatever. As long as it's not really flimsy, it's going to work out fine. All right. So, are you ready to go, Bob?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, before we get started with the stretches, there's 2 things that people will ask, and one thing you want to know is, one is how many reps. So we're going 5 to 10 repetitions as a goal. You don't have to do that many, but that'll
You're
work
gonna
well.
do it throughout today.
Yep, and throughout the day, exactly right. So keep your mop handy. Also, if any of these create pain, sharp pain,
No dice.
you're either pushing it too hard or it's not a stretch you should do. So
Right.
that's a hard and fast rule. All right, here we go. We're going to start out with behind the stick behind your back like this, good posture, and simply go back like this. Now you can do this with your palms away from you, or you can go the other direction and do it like this, whatever feels better for you, or simply do both. And again, 5 to 10
How about
repetitions.
one of each.
Yeah, one of each. Just make sure that you're pulling the shoulders back at the same time you bring the stick away from your body. All right, let's go to number 2. Now this one I think I kind of created. It's a stem
I
off.
agree.
It's a little stem off Mackenzie's extension exercise. So I call it the paddling. It's not oaring because oaring is a boat. You paddle like you're paddling a canoe. You bring it right through here and you stretch right there.
I'm glad you clarified.
Well, it's very important for some people.
All right.
So like do that. I like to do 10 of these and then I'll simply do the other side. And it's very simple to do. Takes about 10 seconds. All right, number 3. Okay, now this one, you really make sure you do it right. So you bring your hands like this, about this width. It's up to you. You can go wider or narrower, up over your head. Keep your shoulders back and see if you can get the stick behind your head without bringing your head forward like that. That's going to work on posture. It's going to open up the shoulders and give you a nice stretch on the pec muscles as well for the shoulder. Now, if you go back like this and there's a gap, you can throw some chin tucks in there, which is always good for posture. Bob and I have talked about that a few 100,000 times
That
over
is
the last
right.
decade. All right, good. Let's go to the next one. This is a real nice one for the shoulder health. Now, it's kind of hard to get to this position where Bob is in, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to take your stick and put it in front of you. With your right hand, thumb down, palm away from you, grab the stick, lift it up, go over the top of your head till it's the center of your back. This hand is palm away from your back, so your thumb is pointing up towards the ceiling, and grab right there. Now, Bob's already there. I'm going to show what he's going to do. I call this back
Up
scratches.
down
Yep.
First.
So we're stretching this shoulder. Pull up as far as you feel comfortable, not too far. And then after 5 or 10 reps of that, then you go into the chicken wing aspect of it, where this arm is pulling down past on the side of his head, and that extends the shoulder here. So if you look at it from the side this way, we're doing this, and then this. And it should feel good. Any pain with this, do not do it. Then it's too aggressive for that shoulder, or just do it much gentler.
I won't do this one if you have RA.
Right. If you got RA or you got hypermobile joints, then when you do this one, it's a good chance you may dislocate it, which is obviously not desirable. All right, number 5. All right, this one is called the Statue of Liberty. You'll see why in just a little bit. Now, if you've got a mop like this, it works really nice because you need to plant the stick down either on the floor or at the chair on the side like this, and it gives you a nice platform. If you have a stick that doesn't have a rubber tip on, like the Booyah stick does, then it cannot slip on the floor. If it slips around, it will not work. You can simply take your shoe, put it down, and put it in there, and the shoe will act as a nice gripper. So do one of those things. We're going to start here. We'll only work one shoulder at a time. And we're going to go up like this.
You walk in up.
Yep, walk that hand up. Now this stick is a little bit short for me. I'm going to go here. I really need to go up to here. So what I'm going to do is simply move it to the chair. Now I can stretch. Now this isn't the stretch. This is preparing for the stretch, which means you grab, hold tight, do not let the stick go through your hand, and lean forward. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is a great church.
It is good. You can go forward if you want to go out to the side and do a little abduction. That works good as well. Plus, you get some muscle stretch here.
Of the lat.
Yep. And, you're getting a little bit of that Rick Olderman talks about for that lower
Right.
one-sided back stretch.
That's right. I agree.
It's multiple, does multiple
Benefits.
things. Yes. All right. So, as you can see, it looks like the Statue of Liberty. That's how it's got its name. I started this one with a pitcher, baseball pitcher.
Right.
He needed that range of motion, and he did it really well. And he's the one that said, Statue of Liberty. So I stole it. from him. He's a 14-year-old.
There we go.
Very bright kid. I think he's probably, PhD right now. All right. Very good. Use your stick, your mop, your broom handy and use it well. Stretch your shoulders, get your posture going. And
Bless my soul, what's wrong with me?
that too. What was that?
Elvis.
Oh.